Hey everybody, thanks for checking our video today at the Auto Connect. We have a 2010 Cadillac SRX Luxury Edition, 106,000 miles, just serviced. Pretty loaded up, panoramic roof. Kind of see here in the rear quarter panel, a little bit of paint cracking up here too on the tailgate. But besides that, overall, body's in really good shape. Interior's clean and in good shape as well. This has a 3.0 V6 engine in it. Has navigation, backup camera, a couple of rock chips throughout the hood as expected for a 2010. Check out the back here, interior is clean, has a nice panel roof. Shade is up right now, but it does work. Really nice brown inlay too on the whole dash. Super comfortable seats. We'll go ahead and start her up. Has 106,000 miles on it. If it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can also call or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for checking out our video. And if you have any Audi, Porsche, or Volkswagens, that's what we specialize in, but we do also work on other luxury domestic brands like Cadillac, Lincoln, and other foreign brands too. Thank you for checking out our video. Give us a holler.